5 plants that will absorb excess humidity in your house. It is known that too high relative humidity in the room is not exactly what we need for a healthy environment. Not only it is disturbing and is hampering our breath, but it promotes mold growth on the walls and a lot of inconvenience that affect our health. But we have a remedy that will help you get rid of this inconvenience: plants that absorb excess humidity. Here is a top 5 of the best plants that absorb excess humidity in your house. 1. Spathiphyllum, peace lily, is a plant that loves humidity in soil and air. So, in order to grow nicely, this plant needs a humid environment. It absorbs water vapor for its internal physiological processes. 2. Chamaedorea, table palm, is a dwarf palm that survives in humid and bright areas. When the humidity levels drops down, it can handle the shady areas of the room. This plant loves humidity more than anything, even more than light. 3. Ivy, Hedera, a plant that we normally put in hanging pots, but it's a good idea to hang it in a higher area in the room. In this way we can eliminate the risk of mold. Since being elevated, ivy can immediately absorb water vapor that rises to the ceiling, the most hot and humid place in the house. 4. Fern, absorbs excess moisture from the air and is an excellent air regulator. When you have only one such plant in a room with problems, you can be sure that it will maintain a balanced humidity level. 5. Tillandsia, it's an epiphyte plant that has no root, specifically in its natural environment where it grows on trees and has aerial roots. Unlike the ordinary plants, it feeds on water and nutrients that are absorbed from the air. It's ideal for any room with a high humidity level.